As a broad concept, public health is not a single service or product produced by a single profession, but is a comprehensive set of activities provided or ensured by the public health system. A web of relationships that includes many people, organizations, and professions. The Atlantic County Division of Public Health is the governmental organization that is part of the public health system. Its core mission is to prevent disease, protect the public's health, and promote healthy behaviors. 5 service units make up the Division of Public Health. The Community Health Unit provides clinical services and education programs to prevent and control diseases. This unit investigates and tracks outbreaks of communicable diseases along with the State Department of Health and the Centers for Disease Control to help reduce spread. A total of 1,074 individual communicable diseases were investigated in 2018. 48 tuberculosis clinics were held in which 161 patients were treated. Sexually transmitted disease clinics were held every Monday afternoon. All patients were treated at our clinic and throughout the week. The unit has child health services that provide immunizations, lead screening, and special outreach, including home visits and family health counseling. 456 children were seen by our community health nurses and nurse practitioner. School immunization audits are also managed in this unit. Our nurses audited 177 schools in 2018. The prevention of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes were managed through blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar screenings conducted at our health fairs and in our women's health, men's health. The Women's Health Clinic also provided Pap tests and referrals for breast cancer screening. Health education was provided at 32 health fairs and events throughout the community in 2018. Flu clinics were held throughout the county, as well as walk-in, no appointment necessary clinics at the Stillwater Building and at Bellevue Avenue in Hamilton. A total of 1,064 doses were given from September through December. The Environmental Health Unit tests private drinking wells, ocean water, and other public recreational swimming areas. Beach water quality overall was excellent again in 2018. Unit staff collected 438 samples from May 14th to September 11th. 1,714 retail food establishments were inspected in 2018. Staff also reviewed 328 mobile vendor applications in 2018 and worked 69 special events inspecting retail food vendors. 605 vendors were inspected at these events. Most of this work is done on the weekends. Registered environmental health specialists also inspect campgrounds, youth camps, pools, body art establishments, tanning facilities, and kennels. Potential sources of air, water, and noise pollution are investigated in addition to community health hazards such as vermin, rabid animals, and lead paint. In 2018, the unit investigated 15 new childhood lead cases. Our environmental health specialists also review plans, issue permits, and inspect new septic systems. The unit tracks illegal dumpers, promotes workplace health and safety, and responds to hazardous material incidents. The unit also maintains public records and monitors environmental health concerns such as groundwater contamination, rabies exposures, and West Nile virus by using Geographic Information Systems computers. The Health Planning, Information, and Preparedness Unit focuses on preparing for and responding to incidents of bioterrorism and other public health emergencies. The unit creates and updates public health emergency plans under the guidance of the State Department of Health, the Centers for Disease Control, and the Public Health Emergency Response Task Force, and manages the Medical Reserve Corps volunteer recruitment and training. 23 new members became volunteers in 2018. The unit participates in the annual public information exercise conducted by the New Jersey Department of Health. In 2018, we achieved a 91, which exceeded the mandatory score of 85. The New Jersey Local Information Network and Communication System was used to send out 201 alerts to public health staff and our external partners. Alerts included information about food, pet food, and cosmetic recalls, influenza and respiratory virus surveillance, measles, rabies, and adenovirus. The unit also plans, implements, and evaluates community health education programs that are based on findings from youth and adult behavioral health risk assessments conducted with the Partnership for a Healthy Community. These assessments allow the unit to update the Community Health Improvement Plan. The Substance Abuse Service Unit plans and coordinates drug and alcohol prevention and treatment programs. The unit supports the Volunteer Municipal Alliance coordinators with program planning and reporting. It conducts programs that evaluate and educate persons convicted of driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol. 25 intoxicated driver resource classes were conducted in 2018. The unit provides Narcan trainings. Over 200 individuals have been trained. Narcan overdose reversal kits were distributed to individuals, school district personnel, other county offices, local police departments, the county sheriff's department, and the New Jersey State Police. The unit also conducted alcohol awareness fatal vision presentations. 857 high school students and DUI offenders received this training. The animal shelter provides housing to stray animals while attempting to reunite them with their owners and facilitate successful pet adoptions. 3,349 dogs and cats entered the shelter in 2018. The shelter participated in the 4th annual Clear the Shelter Day and implemented other low or no fee adoption events. The events have been an effective way to help special needs pets find homes. Shelter staff educates the public on responsible ownership and provide free obedience classes for dog adoptees. Controlling the spread of rabies in the community is a public health priority. Free rabies vaccination clinics are offered monthly. 1,240 animals have been vaccinated in Atlantic County. Low-cost spay and neuter programs are also available. The shelter is open 7 days a week. For more information about the programs and services provided by the Atlantic County Division of Public Health, read our 2018 annual year-end report at www.aclink.org/publichealth.